I also have the liquidity pool, the dumpings, and the flash loan arbitrage. And then to smart money, I try to analyze massive deposits and withdrawal deltas. Moving down to alerts, so I analyzed smart contract vulnerabilities, and here I have 240 pools that I tracked, and out of these 240 we have like 18 high risk pools, and the total DEX volume is what we can see on the screen. And smart contract risk, I try to analyze it but within the 24-hour volume. And here I also have my settings. I try to make it something that users can sign in, upload their IDs and all. And also we try to have a reward system for our users.